Hey guys, let me tell you about my trip to Harris Pontoons. First of all, man, leaving Sunnyside, Florida, man, to go to Fort Wayne, Indiana, man, it was kind of memorable, man. So here I am boarding my flight. Gotta get that first class, man, and I'll tell you exactly why in a minute. I had some excellent leg room, man. Ha! Love that leg room. So comfy. But when I saw that snow on the ground, I wanted to fly right back to Florida. It was freezing cold. I got my rental car, and it was like a winter wonderland, y'all. Got to the pontoon factory. The first thing I saw was the brand new Sunliner that they just dropped. And guys, this thing is beautiful. I took a look in the inside, man. The leather is on point. Stainless steel, the aluminum, center tube storage. Get out my way, buddy. Diamond stitched interior. It was just an awesome boat, man. Look at the helm of this thing, man. The helm is like really cool. Nice toggle switches at your fingertips. Digital throttle here. Good little bit of us, man. We were sitting down and we had to do like some seminar stuff. We were looking at new products from Mercury. And we moved on into the factory, man. The factory is pretty cool. And you got the opportunity to learn about the boats and how they were made, how to stern. Man, it was a great process for me to learn how they made these boats in the factory, to see how they were built. It was just good for me to know how they were built, man. Because I sell these things. And guys, let me tell you, this is a crown, guys. And this thing looks like a spaceship, bro. I mean, they really put a lot into these boats, man. I mean, look at this thing. This is awesome, bro. I mean, look at the LED lights. Man, they had it stripped apart, man, but this is like raw footage of the inside of one of these beautiful boats. I met the CEO. He was really cool, man. Then I moseyed on down to the stadium to see what those lights were hitting for that I showed y'all earlier. The stadium was cool, man. They had it all lit up, but it was still freezing cold. So I didn't stay out there too long. I walked around the stadium, got a good chance to glance at some lights, and I got to something to eat. And I headed on in, man. They gave me a little plaque, and when I got back to the dealership, I had a surprise waiting on me. Didn't know what it was, but they sent me something from the factory. I was eager to see what was in there, so you know what I did, y'all. I went on inside, cracked that thing open. Two Titus. What was these Marine Max? Check that out, y'all. They gave me a Yeti cooler. They gave me so much stuff, man. And a thank you letter just for visiting the factory, man. I mean, it was awesome, man. They gave me this massive Yeti cooler, some socks, man, hats, cups. And it was just really cool, man. It was really great. Looking forward to trying to say, give me that. Hands off that. But yeah, man, I give my visit to Harris a 10 out of 10. The only thing that was bad was the weather. See you soon.